What's going on, guys? Thank you very much. I'm going to be taking slow. My name is Nixon Kamugisha Chandras. Now, our topic today is all about how to make your computer perform very fast like a new PC. Now, those are simple techniques, only that scaring you isn't much just like making you get confirmed of what we are going to tell you. So I'm going to take you through the process. Just follow. Now you go to start, go to screen. Now here, this is the menu, start menu, and this is the Windows 8.1 basic. So if at all you are using a different version, you can may go here, then you press Windows logo key with R, then you type Control. You leave that. You type Shift 5, put percentage, write temp percentage, then press enter. Now the computer will bring a list of temporary files. As you see here, these are temporary files. It means that they are useless. They are useless. They are useless. So now, what the computer will do will detect all the temporary files you have on a computer. So you press Ctrl A. Then you want to remove them permanently because they are useless. Press Shift Delete. Then go to yes. Try again. Try again. Try again. If it continues failing, you just skip. Keep skipping and close. Right click the computer a bit. Right click the computer a bit. Then you go back to Windows logo key or Windows logo key. Delete that one. Right prefetch. Prefetch. Then press enter. So here press continue, don't fear. It will also show a list of unnecessary files. And there are very many. There are very many list of unnecessary files. And check. That means these are useless. Also press Ctrl A, Shift Delete permanently. You can check here we are deleting the files permanently, and they are in total 122. But because me, I normally do it after some minutes, so that's why I have retro. But if you check your computer, you may find you have 1,000 items which are useless, and those seem to be making your computer to be scummy with junk files. Press yes to get off. Then here you go to control panel. Control panel, it's here. So when you open control panel, this is a bit of complex, and if it is complex for you, just come here to view and go to category. Then when you are in category, go to system and security. Then select where there is administrative tools, and below there is free up disk space. Then don't mind to press OK. And wait, close this one meanwhile. So here it will show you that it is cleaning the disk. So it will first scan the disk, then after it will clean. So it is system error memory files. Just be patient and they just keep joking. You can say 1 + 2 = 4, but not 5. So that is parenthesis of mathematics, right? Now you keep refreshing if at all. We're using Microsoft Windows because they tend to jam. That. Keep refreshing. Just keep refreshing. Good. Another shortcut of refreshing. Refresh with function key F5. Because it seems my computer has gotten problems. So that's why it is tending to be slow, but you need to go slowly by slowly. Slowly by slowly. And both of these files can be gotten when you go to internet and browse. Of course, internet browsers like Mozilla, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari can bring a lot of internet scams or junk internet files, of which are contained and pile up into the system, hence making it slow. So now this is a dialog box that is saying you can use this cleanup to free up 29.1 MB of hard disk, because that means I have 29.1 capacity of data that is stored in my system that is useless. So I advise you to check in every box. Make sure I check in every box, because we are removing system quite Windows LR porting, per used query Windows LR, thumbnails, Samba files, setup logo files, recycle bin. We are also going to delete it, like the way you can see here. The recycle bin is too large. Okay, now temporary internet files, like I told you, from Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari, all those, so long as you're connected to internet. So downloaded program files, like now you can download some file, then you delete it. It is not permanently deleted. You will see that the download folder is empty, but it has some files. So that's why we advise you to do this cleanup to make it faster. So go ahead and say okay, but don't go here. I advise you to stop this. Don't even use your eyes to see here. I don't advise you. You should not see her, by the way. Go ahead and press OK and be patient to wait. Be patient as it is cleaning, recycle bin, setting up files like that. Yeah, it will make your computer work very fast. Then you will start browsing very fast, as if the computer has been purchased new. Now, meanwhile, as we wait for this one, you go to control panel still, control panel, then go to category, system and security, and go to fragment and optimize your drives. And these applications can as well be put in Windows 7, Windows XP, and we have some other version of Linux, so that's why we are always telling you that. So now that means my disk has not been fragmented, never like that. So I can come here and I start optimize, because if you read here, you can optimize your drives to help your computer run more efficiently, or analyze them to find out if they need to be optimized. Only drives all connected to your computer are shown here. So I have drive C, drive E, drive F, and my system reserved. So I need to fragment this one containing the Windows files, and I start optimizing. As we are waiting for this one, then since we'll be going okay, so it will start by first analyzing very fast. Analysis will go as fast as it can, then after analyzing it will defragment the disk. You can run from the definition of fragmentation. So this one is still cleaning, as you can see here, it is still cleaning. Then I expect the system to be very fast now in processing, like you can do lots more. Now I'm doing two jobs here. This is analysis process, so it is also underway. So with fragmentation, we have 1% so far, as we are waiting for for it to go to 100%. So your system is just playing with the logo key, and just playing with logo key, and you combine it with R to bring this run. You just press logo key plus R to bring this one, to bring that. So in simple terms, it is Windows logo key, the other one that looks like a flag, or it has a logo key for Windows. So you press it and R at once to bring this run command. It is called run command. So we have very many types of commands, like we have command line prompt, like those ones. So this one, cleaning C, it is now almost finishing, and if it finishes, then everything will be very fine. So now, most of the times when we try to do most of the things, like now, I'm doing a lot of work here, whereby I have some other computer, I'm still doing some work. Now, as we're waiting for fragmentation, everything will be fine. But I advise you to keep refreshing your machine, such that you don't get scams over here. Because this one is finishing, and this is the main emphasis, because it is moving the files which are temporary junk files. In simple times, we call them junk files. And it's okay, everything is going fine now. Okay, now this one has finished. Now you must wait for this one until it reaches about 100% complete, then everything will be fine. Then you keep refreshing your machine, then it will be working very fast. As you can start browsing, you do whatever, you can do everything you want, because the speed will have increased. So because some folders may seem to be empty, then you should not bother much. I think we should not even take a lot of time. So everything will be working very fast, because the system junk files have been removed. Now, thank you very much for watching.